Welcome to Be Money Aware's video tutorial on ways to e-file ITR. It gives overview of steps in filing ITR, documents required and Form 26AS. Let's look at the steps to file income tax online. Go to incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in. If you haven't registered, then please register. Choose the assessment year. Choose the ITR based on types of income you have. Either fill ITR offline by downloading the Excel or Java utility, or fill online for ITR1 and ITR4S. If after filling form if you have to pay some tax, called self-assessment tax, pay it and fill details regarding it in ITR form. For Excel and Java utility you have to generate the XML and upload. Send ITRV to CPC. From assessment year 2015-16 with electronic verification codes such as fill out Aadhaar number, you will not have to send ITRV. Let's refresh ITRs. There are different types of ITRs such as ITR1, ITR2, ITR2S, etc. Which ITR form to fill depends on who is filling the form, whether ITR is being filled by individual or Hindu undivided family or firm, etc. Residential status. The different types of residential status are: resident, not ordinarily resident, non-resident. Typically a resident one is who has been in India for a period of 182 days or more during the previous year. ITR form to be filled also depends on types of income earned. Various types of incomes are: income from salary or pension, income from house property, income from profits and gains of business or profession, income from capital gains, income from other sources. On whether losses are carried forward or not. For a resident individual, ITR1 is the form to fill when one has income from salary or pension, income from one house property and income from other sources such as interest from saving bank account, FD. In our video which ITR form to fill we have explained why there are different kinds of ITR. Let's see different ways of filling ITR. One way to file ITR is download and fill the Excel utility. This utility is based on Microsoft Excel software and uses macros. Other ways to download and fill Java utility. This ITR utility is developed using the Java technology and effort has been made to make it user-friendly, simpler and faster preparation of tax returns. This utility can run on operating system like Windows 7.0 and above and latest Linux, where Java Runtime Environment version 7 Update 6 or JRE 1.7 or above is installed. Help on Java utility is also available at Income Tax website. For those who have to file ITR1 or ITR4S, one can file it online. Click on Quick e-file ITR after logging in Income Tax e-filing website. Which utility to choose depends on your familiarity and your ease of use with software such as Excel, Java or form-based. Information to be filled is same in all. Let's quickly see the information one needs to fill in ITR1. ITR starts with personal information such as name, PAN, address. In Java utility all fields marked with star are mandatory such as last name, date of birth. In Excel all fields with red labels are mandatory such as last name. To find income tax ward or circle, you can go to incometaxindia.efiling.gov. Click on Know Your Jurisdictional AO, enter PAN and number shown in image. Enter the jurisdiction in ITR. In filing status one fills information such as employer category, residential status, type of return, etc. Fill income details under various heads such as income from salary or pension, income from house property, income from other sources, etc. See information is same in Excel and Java. Fill deductions, total amount under various sections such as 80C, 80D. Fill deduction for donation under section 80G. Fill details of TDS and taxes paid. Compute the taxes. If tax is due, please pay self-assessment tax using Challan 280. Then enter details in TDS and taxes paid. There should be no tax due when you file your ITR. Check taxes paid, bank details and verification. Let's see the documents required for filling ITR1 form. For income from salary you require Form 16. Form 16 along with Form 12b has all the details of income earned as salary, allowances, deduction claimed and TDS deducted by employer. For income from other sources, one requires the bank statement or passbook for interest on saving account. Interest income statement for fixed deposits. Form 16A if TDS is deducted for interest on FD. For income from one-house property, you need income depends on whether you have taken home loan, whether you are living in the house or not. You also need to verify TDS deducted using Form 26AS. Let's see the documents required for house property. For one property, income depends on whether house is self-occupied or let out and whether it has been taken on loan or not. If one property is self-occupied and is taken on loan, then you need home loan interest certificate from your bank and percentage of share if property is co-owned. If let out, then rent received during the financial year and property taxes payment challan along with documents for home loan. Tax deduction for home loan is under Section 24, 80C and 80E. Form 26AS, also called as annual statement, is a consolidated tax statement which has all tax-related information such as TDS, TCS, refund etc. associated with PAN number. It shows how much of your tax has been received by the government and is consolidated from multiple sources like your salary or pension or interest income etc. One can and should verify the Form 26AS with all his or her Form 16, Form 16As etc. One can view Form 26AS through bank websites or through income tax e-filing website. Select View Form 26AS. Enter the details such as user ID and password. You can claim some exemptions and deductions, if you haven't claimed, even though you are past the deadline of tax proof submission of your employer. If you forgot to submit rent receipts to your employer on time, you can claim deduction on HRA at the time of filing your return. All you need is your rent receipts and PAN of your landlord. If you were not able to submit the details of your Section 80C deductions to your employer timely, you can claim them in your income tax return, such as payment of children tuition fee, life insurance payment. You cannot claim LTA and medical reimbursement in your return. Now we are all set to work on filling tax returns. Let's look at how to download Excel utility. Go to Income Tax e-filing website https://incometaxindia-efiling.gov.in. Check the assessment year for which you want to fill ITR. Select the ITR which you want to fill. From Income Tax website, you can download Excel or Java utility corresponding to your ITR. Let's download the Excel utility for ITR1. Unzip the downloaded zip file. You will see Excel and README file. README file says how to enable the macros in Excel. Open the Excel file. Excel utility opens. If you see the warning macros have been disabled, click on Enable Content. Please check the important note regarding assessment year. Green cells are for data entry, field with red labels are mandatory. From Income Tax website you can download a Java utility. On unzipping the Java utility file you will see bunch of files. The .jar file is one which has the utility. You need Java installed on your system. Java version should be more than 1.7. You can check Java version by opening a command tool and typing java-version. If you don't have Java, then you need to download it for free from java.com and install. README file gives instructions on how to run Java utility. For those who have to file ITR1 or ITR4S, they can file ITR online. Click on Quick eFile ITR after logging in. Select ITR1 or ITR4S. Select Assessment Year. Select Assessment Year. Select where to pre-fill address from. And you are ready to file your income tax. To sum up, steps to file income tax online are given above. Thanks for watching the video on ways and steps to e-file ITR, documents required and Form 26AS. Do check out other articles and videos from BeMoneyAware.com.